The F-22 Raptor has changed the game in modern air combat, securing its reputation as the most advanced air superiority fighter ever made. Since it first entered service in 2005, the Raptor has shown it's far more than just a stealth jet. It brings together low visibility, incredible speed, extreme agility, and smart avionics to form a fighter that has no equal anywhere in the world. Built with radar-absorbing materials and carefully shaped angles, the F-22 almost vanishes from enemy radar systems. But its power goes way beyond just being invisible. The jet carries a powerful mix of sensors and cutting-edge data systems that give it unmatched awareness and split-second decision-making abilities in combat. One of its standout features is Supercruise, meaning it can fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburst. Combined with thrust-vectoring engines, the F-22 is able to perform incredible maneuvers that neither fighter can match. It's not just fast and sneaky, but also shockingly agile and deadly accurate. That's what makes it the heart of American air dominance in the 21st century. Under a special $1.5 million small business innovation research contract, a company named Air set out to change how maintenance is done on the F-22 using high-tech automation. What they developed is a unique robotic system that can move inside the tight curved spaces of the F-22's engine ducts with amazing accuracy. This robot comes with a long, lightweight carbon fiber arm and a smart multi-axis design that allows it to reach deep into areas that were nearly impossible to service with traditional tools. It wasn't just built to reach tough spots, it's also incredibly functional. The robot can perform key maintenance and coating work with exact precision. This new system made the process a lot faster. What used to take 36 days per jet now takes just 24, and it has cut down man-h hours by nearly 1,000, saving around $220,000 for every aircraft. The F-22 is powered by the Pratt & Whitney F119 engine, which had to go through intense tests to ensure reliability and performance. These tests happened in special facilities known as hush houses, soundproof buildings designed to test and aircraft systems like propulsion, electronics, pneumatics, and more. Inside these quiet but powerful spaces, the engine, whether installed in the jet or not, was pushed under conditions meant to mimic react light. Engineers could then check how the engine performed under pressure and find any problems before the jet ever left the ground. These engines are not only strong but also incredibly smart. The computers that manage them can run massive amounts of calculations in real time, giving the engines a kind of brain of their own. They can control their motion and respond to change almost like they're thinking. Because of this, the F-22 can handle wild stunts like vertical takeoffs and fast twisting drills with ease. With its twin engines roaring, the Raptor can shoot straight up into the sky at a speed that seems to ignore gravity. Even while climbing steeply, the jet stays stable thanks to its advanced flight control systems. Its thrust vector nozzles let it move its engine thrust in different directions, helping the plane stay in control during extra maneuvers. The F-22 is known for its next-level agility, pushing the limits off both human and machine. To help it handle all that stress, they wear a special suit called the G-suit. This smart suit keeps blood from pooling in the pilot's legs during high-speed turns by squeezing their lower body. This stops pilots from blacking out due to a drop in blood pressure. To make sure the suit works well, pilots go through testing that simulates sharp turns, rolls, and rapid climbs. Sensors monitor how the suit performs under these conditions. Engineers, designers, and pilots all work together to make the suit as effective as possible. It's an essential part of keeping pilots safe and sharp in high-pressure situations. The F-22's flying tricks show just how flexible and powerful it is. It can pull off a tight high-speed turn to dodge enemy missiles using its strong thrust-to-weight ratio. It can also do the Thekabra maneuver where the nose snaps a port, suddenly creating a momentary stall and sharp slowdown. The jet turn, also called the Herbst maneuver, uses thrust vectoring and special flight controls to allow higher angles of static. Then there's the pedal turn, which lets the aircraft spin around its vertical axis. The loaded roll is another trick where the Raptor does a 360 roll while staying stable. You'll master these moves. Pilots train hard in dogfighting, close-range combat, reflexes, and quick thinking a river thing. This training is crucial, especially when facing other jets with SIP abilities. The training includes one-on-one duels and larger simulate battles, teaching pilots how to manage speed, energy, awareness, and tactics in real time. The F-22 comes with 3 internal weapon bays, a big on underneath and 2 smaller ones on these. Loading these bays takes a skilled crew that has to work quickly and safely. The mechanisms that open the bay doors during a missile launch must also shut immediately after to maintain jet stealth. The entire team has toe and sync to do the job right and avoid any mistakes. The F-22's takeoff performance is also one of the best in the world. Its wide wings and smart aerodynamics allow it to lift off quickly and steeply. The jet can climb at a rate of nearly 69,000 feet per minute, around 350 meters per second. It can shoot straight up, then twist and level off in mid-air. Each of its engines produces over 35,000 pounds of thrust, giving it the power torque speeds of 1,500 miles per hour with ease. A big reason for the Raptor's global reach is aerial refueling. The jet holds about 18,000 pounds of fuel internally and can carry extra tanks on its wings. When it needs more fuel mid-flight, the F-22 approaches a tanker plane from behind and below. The tanker extends a 50-foot boom with small control surfaces on it. A person called the boomer uses those controls to guide the boom into THEF2 to a fueling port. Once connected, fuel flows at thousands of pounds per minute. Lights on the tanker help the fighter maintain its position until refueling is done, usually within 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how much fuel is needed. But no matter how advanced the aircraft, it's the pilot's skills that decide the outcome of a dogfight. That's why the US Air Force put so much effort into. Since the 1970s, American pilots have taken part into similar air combat training or DAC, where different kinds of aircraft go head-to-head. Even with new jets like the F-22 and F-35, pilots still train against older models like the F-16 and F-15, because many air forces around the world still use decades-old planes. These exercises help pilots learn new strategies and how to tackle different types of threats. And it's not just about air-to-air combat. Aircraft are often tasked with destroying ground targets too. Where strafing comes in low-altitude avionics, where the jet uses guns, bombs, or rockets to hit targets. Pilots train for these missions at places like Mountain Home Air Force Base, where simulated bombs are dropped on mock targets. Even at high speeds, the accuracy of these attacks is stunning. Since these are just exercises, the training bombs don't explode, but give pilots real-world experience. Thanks to modern simulation technology, training is safer and more effective than ever. For jets like the F-35, simulators provide a full cockpit experience around by big screens for full immersion. This helps pilots get used to the jet handles. Before flying their whole thing, at Luke Air Force Base in Arizona, new pilots go through detailed training using these simulators and classroom instruction. The base has 12 full-size simulators that are more advanced than the first versions, helping ensure every pilot is fully ready for combat. In the end, the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II are more than just jets. They're icons of American air power, bringing together the best in technology, engineering, and training. From robotic maintenance systems to high-end simulators, every part of the system is built to keep us pilots ahead of any enemy. These jets represent the future of air warfare, where machines and humans work together to dominate the skies. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. And for more incredible stories about the world's most advanced military technology, make sure to subscribe to Missile Lemons, your go-to source for the latest updates and cuttings defense innovation. See you in the next.